If your raised bed is the wrong height or filled with the wrong materials, your plants will struggle before they even get started. In the next few minutes, you will learn the best height for a beginner raised bed and exactly what to put inside it, so your garden grows strong, healthy, and productive from day one. Raised beds solve some of the biggest problems in gardening. They improve drainage, warm up faster in spring, and give you control over your soil quality. Instead of fighting hard clay or poor native soil, you build the perfect growing environment from the ground up. For beginners, raised beds reduce guesswork. You know what is in your soil, and that makes watering, feeding, and plant care much easier. A well-built raised bed is one of the fastest ways to start seeing real results in the garden. Most beginners do best with a raised bed that is between 10 and 12 inches tall. This height is the sweet spot. It is deep enough for most vegetables like lettuce, beans, peppers, cucumbers, and even tomatoes. It also allows roots to grow comfortably without needing an expensive amount of soil. If your native ground soil is poor or compacted, go a little taller. A bed that is 14 to 18 inches high gives extra room for root growth and better drainage. If bending over is difficult, a bed that is 24 to 30 inches tall can reduce strain on your back and knees. But keep in mind, the taller the bed, the more material you will need to fill it. For most beginners, 12 inches is the best balance between cost, ease, and plant performance. Before we talk about what to use, it is important to know what to avoid. Do not fill a raised bed entirely with garden soil dug from your yard. It is usually too heavy, drains poorly, and can compact over time. Avoid construction debris, treated wood scraps, or anything that could release chemicals into the soil. Also, skip large amounts of fresh grass clippings or fresh manure. These can heat up and damage young roots. A raised bed does not have to be filled entirely with expensive bagged soil. There's a simple layering method that works well and saves money. Start with the bottom layer. Use natural, bulky materials like small branches, sticks, or untreated wood. This layer should take up the bottom 1/3 of the bed. It improves drainage and slowly breaks down over time. The middle layer should be organic matter. Add leaves, grass clippings, straw, or partially finished compost. This layer feeds the soil as it breaks down. The top layer is the most important. This is where your plants will grow. Fill the top 6 to 8 inches with a quality garden soil blend. A reliable beginner mix is 50% topsoil, 30% compost, 20% coarse material like coconut coir or peat moss. This blend holds moisture, drains well, and gives plants the nutrients they need. One common mistake beginners make is overfilling the bed with expensive soil. If you use the layering method, you may only need to buy soil for the top portion. For a standard 4 by 8 foot bed that is 12 inches tall, you will only need enough quality soil to fill the top 6 to 8 inches. That can cut your soil cost nearly in half while still giving your plants the best growing conditions. If you remember nothing else, remember this: 12 inches tall natural materials on the bottom, compost-rich soil on top. That simple formula will grow healthy vegetables in almost any climate. A raised bed is not just a box of soil. It is a small, controlled world where you decide how things grow. When you build it right from the start, you save yourself months of frustration and give your plants the best possible beginning. Gardening rewards patience, not perfection. Start simple, build smart, and let the soil do the hard work for you. If you enjoy simple, practical gardening advice that actually works, tap the like button and subscribe. Become part of the family and grow along with more no-nonsense tips to help your garden thrive season after season.